Dear student, welcome back to English class. So dear students, we completed our first chapter and even we completed our second chapter. So here the second from section B, that is the All American Slurp. So this lesson also we completed. So today related this lesson we have exercise part. Yes, so on page number 14 you have this exercise part. So today we are going to learn about it. We are going to solve here only. So on page number 14. So here in the reading, these sentences. So sentences are given. Sentences. So sentences are given here. So first, what is the first question? Yes, first question just to read down. Yes. The one thing that the narrator and her family found difficult in the early days, that was, what was they find difficult? Yes, see here options are A, speaking the language, acquiring a house, or American table manners, or making new friends. So what was the difficult thing for them? Yes, very good. So answer is option C, American table manners. So their American table manners was totally different and they were found difficulty. So here first answer is option C. I will not write the question, I will write directly answer. American table manners. See here, American table manners. Next, see here, second what they see? The narrator's family did not dip their salary into the sour cream because, see once again I will read, the narrator's family did not dip their salary into the sour cream because, what was the reason? See here, option A, there was not too much of it, B, it was spoiled, C, they did not like dairy products, or D, they were feeling shy. So answer is option C, they did not like dairy products. So answer is option C, they did not like, yes, dairy product. Dairy products. Next one is this third question. What is? We can tell that the narrator and her family were not used to a buffet meal because, what was the reason? Yes, they started to serve the others, or they refused to eat, or they took away the here serving dish, or they took chairs to the table. So yes, so answer is D, they took chairs to the table. They took chairs, yes, to the table. So the author family, they doesn't know, yes, how to behave, so they doesn't know about the buffet meal, so they did like that. Next, fourth one. At the Chinese dinner, the narrator was shocked when she saw. What she have seen? Yes. What she shocked? See here. See here. So answer here. Answer is C. Meg's plate with food from both the dishes. So that narrator, she was shocked. Why? Because the Meg's plate was full of food and she not completed first dish and again she started to eat second dish. So here answer is C. Meg's plate with food from both the sides, or both the dishes. Okay, dishes you write here. Both the dishes, not side, both the dishes. So here answer is option C. So these are the answers. Now come to the second question. Answer this question. So first, why did the narrator and her brother keep looking at their parents? Why they were keep looking up. Yes, tell me. What is the answer? Yes. So, here I will read. So, here the narrator and her brother kept looking at their parents so that they could follow what they did and not embarrass themselves. So, they want to follow how they other are behaving. So, there the answer, I will write here answer. So, narrator's family, they want to follow others, how they are behaving. Otherwise, their behavior was too much embarrassed. So, here write down answer in B first. Okay. First answer. Write down the narrator and her brother. The narrator and her brother kept looking at their parents at their parents so that they could follow what to do or what they did. Okay, what they did and not embarrassed themselves. Not embarrassed themselves. So this is the answer. First. Next, come to the second. Why was there dead silence in the room? Why was dead silence? Because when they are eating that celery, they are making sound like zip zip. Got it? Yes. So here I will write. There was dead silence in the room because dead silence in the room because what was the reason? Yes, the Lin family had started peeling off the strings. Peeling off the strings of the celery and none of the other guests of the celery and none of the other guests were familiar with the practice. Familiar with this practice. So nobody was familiar with this practice, so they all started to keep quiet, so the dead silence was there. Next one, see, why was the narrator horrified by the gleason? Why he was horrified by the gleason? Yes. What was the reason? Yes, here. So, the narrator was horrified by the Mr. Gleason because, third one, because, you write down this sentence. Yes, because what happened? He was unable to use the chopsticks to grab hold of the piece on his plate, and so he restored to using his fingers to eat. Yes, that pea, he was not getting that pea, so he just kept that chalk picks as tips and he just picked up with his fingers. So, see, he was unable to use because he was unable to use chopsticks. Okay, you write down here. Unable to use the chopsticks to grab okay, hold of the pea. Okay, hold of the peas on his plate. And so he resorted to using his fingers to eat. This is the answer. So here we have completed these 3 questions. So here in the D section, yes, you have the answer that think and answer. So you have to write down these 3 questions, and you whatever you are thinking that you have to write. This is own questions. You can write your own. So you write this complete exercise, and here till here we completed. So first question, answer C. The narrator and her brother kept looking at their parent so that they could follow what they did and not embarrass themselves. Then second, there was dead silence in the room because the Lin family had started peeling off the strings of the celery, and none of the other guests were familiar with this practice. And the third, why? Because he was unable to use the chopsticks to grab hold of the peas on his plate, and so he resorted to using his fingers to eat. So these are the answers. So you just today what you have to do after watching this video, yes, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook, homework book, and you have to send it to me. Got it? So read once again this lesson and write down difficult words, and this exercise you have to complete. Thank you.